Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has been making waves on social media and in the entertainment world. The pregnancy rumors surrounding Snem Selegu, the star of the reality show Utando Nestembo. Recently, allegations have surfaced suggesting that Sneh is pregnant by someone other than her current boyfriend, leading to widespread speculation and controversy. So, in this video, we'll explore facts, examine the evidence, and discuss the implication of these rumors. We'll also look at the role of social media in shaping public perception and the impact of such scandal on personal and professional lives. So, guys, before we get into it, grab popcorns, grab your tea, grab your juice. It's summer, by the way. And then, first, before we begin, let's read this evidence from Umusa Kaula. Enjoy. So, guys, before we begin, let me give you a background of who Sneh is in case there are new subscribers in this channel. So, Sneh's full name is Snenhlanhla. Her surname is Mselegu. She's the eldest daughter of Musa Mselegu, a well-known polygamist and reality TV star in South Africa. She gained public attention through her appearance on Usithando Nesithembu, a show that chronicles the lives of Musa, her dad, and his four wives. Sneh has been open about her personal life, including the relationships and experiences growing up in a polygamous family. Her transparency has earned her a significant following, but it has also made her a target of public scrutiny. Understanding her background is crucial to grasp the full context of the recent allegations. So, Sneh posted a video on TikTok showcasing of what appeared to be a baby bump. I'm gonna post this, I think, at the end of the video, sparking rumors that she's expecting another child. The video quickly went viral, leading to widespread speculation about her pregnancy status. Sneh addressed these rumors, stating that she was not pregnant and attributing her appearance to Mkaba, traditionally a big tummy, women with a big tummy mostly associated with people who drink beer in men and also women who give birth. So she said that her big belly was due to umkaba, like a big tummy, which is mostly found. I'm not discriminating, guys. It's like a word for someone who naturally has a big tummy. So when people were telling her that she's pregnant, she said no, it's umkaba, just a big tummy. She's not pregnant. She expressed frustration over the invasion of her privacy and the spread of false information. Despite her denial, the rumors persisted, fueled by screenshots like you see of alleged WhatsApp conversations between Sneh and the ex-boyfriend Kakiso Pizzi, the one on the screen. In this messages, Kakiso, as you can see, is accusing Sneh of getting pregnant by her ex and attempting to pass the child to him, to claiming that the child is Kakiso's child. These screenshots were shared widely on social media, intensifying the controversy. It's important to note that the authenticity of these messages has not been verified, and both parties have not publicly confirmed the details. So this incident highlights the significant role that social media plays in shaping public perception and influencing personal lives. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter allow information and misinformation to spread rapidly, often without proper verification. In Sneh's case, the viral nature of the pregnancy rumors demonstrates how quickly speculation can escalate into a full-blown scandal. The sharing of private conversations, whether true or not, can have lasting effects on an individual's reputation and mental health. We'll discuss how celebrities and public figures navigate this digital landscape and the challenges they face in maintaining their privacy. So, public reaction to the pregnancy rumors has been mixed. Some fans have expressed support for Usne, criticizing the spread of false information and the invasion of her privacy. Others have fueled the speculation, sharing the alleged screenshots and discussing the situation online. Media outlets have also covered the story, with some providing details and analysis and others sensationalizing the arguments. This line between the line between reporting facts and spreading rumors can often be blurred, leading to confusion and misinformation among the public. We'll examine how media coverage can influence public opinion and the ethical considerations involved in reporting on such personal matters. Scandals like this can have profound effects on an individual's personal life and professional life. For Snare, the pregnancy rumors have led to public scrutiny and criticism, potentially affecting her relationship and even her career. In the entertainment industry, public image is crucial, and controversies can impact opportunities and partnerships. We'll discuss the potential consequences of such scandals and how individuals can manage their public personas in the age of social media. While the situation surrounding Snemselegu is unfortunate, it serves as a reminder of the importance of verifying information before sharing it and respecting individuals' privacy. In the digital age, it's easy to become caught up in the rumors and speculation, but we must strive to approach such situations with empathy and understanding. For public figures like Usne, navigating the complexities of personal life and perception requires resilience and support. It's essential to focus on the facts and refrain from contributing to the spread of unfounded rumors. As we conclude, let's remember the impact of our words and our actions and how they can have an impact on others, and the importance of fostering a respectful and supporting online community. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, share, subscribe for more content like this. Would love to hear your thoughts on this situation. Do you believe the rumors about Selegu's pregnancy? How do you think social media should handle such personal matters? Leave your comments below and let's continue to have that conversation. Until next time, take care and stay informed. Bye.